61A, lecture number 16. Announcements. Project 2, due today. Homework 4 is released. It's due next Thursday. It includes a mid-semester survey that asks you whether we can improve the course. We really do read all of these submissions and try to fix the course this semester, as well as looking for ways to improve it in future semesters. So if you can notice anything that we should change now, just put it in the mid-semester survey and we'll do our best to accommodate your suggestions. Today's lecture puts together data abstraction, trees, and mutation in the form of adding to lists in an extended example. And the reason to include this example in the course is to provide practice with all these concepts, but also to show you why you might want to learn how to manipulate trees. And the reason is that trees are the right way to represent hierarchical structures, and those structures do exist in the world. We'd like to be able to use them and work with them inside of our programs.